Hello everyone, my name is Hue Nguyen. I come from Vietnam. Now I'm distributor for red sport and ginseng product in Vietnam. And today I would like to introduce about ingredient, uses and how to use this product. As you can see this on my screen, so I talk so much about this. And this product can provide a lot of vitamin and nutrition for our health and digestion. Firstly, about ingredient, uh, this this contain about 20 typical ingredients can have and support for our digestion healthy. For example, bird's nest, redux ginseng rubra, black elderberry, colostrum, ginseng, thymomodulin, taurine, vitamin, and especially group of 4 enzyme. Yeah, for these typical ingredients, so how about uses? Yeah, these were very useful and um, they can help and provide necessary important vitamin nutrition for our digestion, especially for children and sickness and elder person. Yeah, maybe pregnant, they can be, provide more and enough vitamin nutrition. um, uh, some children so get meet some very difficult when they eating. Yeah, or some sickly person we also have the same situation. So this product to provide resistance to our health. Yeah, can ingest some virus tag and have healthy more better and recovery quickly. So how to use this product to effective? Yeah, um, for the children, they can use from three small boxes per day for one box for each time. And for children, for the adult, they can use from 4 to 5 these boxes per day. Yeah. Um, to use this product most effectively, we should drink warm water before drink this. Yeah. So I hope that your family and you always be healthy, especially you can have a right way to have um, own family member in your family get enough vitamin and nutrition for health and digestion. Yeah, thank you very much for your watching today. Bye bye. See you.